Most welcome to Historiaspanarna, History Reconnaissance, and the Cole Brothers Railroad Circus. We have some great color footage of them from 1941, riding the rails, unloading lock, stock and big top, racing tent poles and canvas, parking the elephants, and getting ready for the grand performance. And please, like, share and subscribe, it means a lot to us. Cole Brothers Circus was a medium-sized American circus. It was founded in 1884 as W. Cole's New Colossal Shows by William Washington Cole, and, as he stated, presented in a reputable manner by reputable people. They achieved enormous success with the most modern equipment and high-quality performances. They would often treat the townsfolk to a giant street parade to the circus grounds on their way from their 35 boxcars, passenger coaches and double-length flat cars in the rail yards. Some of the ornate parade wagons used then have been preserved and are currently on display in the famous Circus World Museum in Baraboo, Wisconsin. Great Depression nearly signaled an end to Cole Brothers Circus, but their faith and perseverance kept their show on the road. In 1935, their biggest star, animal trainer Clyde Beatty, added his name to the brand, and for decades it was the Clyde Beatty-Cole Brothers Circus. 1939, Cole Brothers Circus remained the only circus that continued staging a daily horse-drawn parade. Soon, even Cole Brothers had stored its parade wagon in the winter quarters barn, bringing them out only on special occasions, like Harry Truman's inaugural parade in Washington, D.C., when the Cole Brothers Steam Calliope played "Meet Me in St. Louis, Louis." The Steam Calliope from the Cole Brothers Circus was the caboose on the end of the inaugural parade. For its 1957 season, Beatty-Cole Brothers Circus converted from railcars to trucks and moved to new winter quarters in DeLand, Florida. Cole Brothers' final performances was probably in 2015. Their winter quarters sold and their website taken down.
That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.